Red kangaroos, surviving the harsh Australian outback kangaroo sun. The red kangaroo, Macropus rufus, is the largest marsupial and one of the most iconic animals of Australia. Living in the harsh and arid outback, these kangaroos have adapted to survive extreme heat, limited water, and vast open landscapes. But how do red kangaroos thrive in such a tough environment? Let's explore their incredible survival strategies, social behavior, and unique adaptations. What is a red kangaroo? Red kangaroos are native to Australia and are found in dry, open plains, deserts, and grasslands. They are the largest of all kangaroo species, with males growing up to 6 feet, 1.8 meters, tall and weighing over 200 pounds, 90 kilograms. Key features of red kangaroos. Heavy checkmark powerful hind legs for high-speed hopping. Heavy checkmark long, muscular tail for balance and support. Heavy checkmark large ears to detect predators. Heavy checkmark thick fur that reflects sunlight and protects from heat. How do red kangaroos survive in the outback? A. Water conservation droplet cactus. The outback is hot and dry, with very little water available. Red kangaroos have adapted by heavy checkmark getting moisture from plants instead of drinking water. Heavy checkmark producing concentrated urine to reduce water loss. Heavy checkmark resting in the shade during the hottest parts of the day. These adaptations help them survive without drinking water for long periods. B. Hopping instead of walking kangaroo dashing away. Instead of walking, red kangaroos hop, which is an energy-efficient way to travel. Their powerful legs and elastic tendons store energy, allowing them to heavy checkmark hop at speeds of 35 miles per hour, 56 kilometers per hour. Heavy checkmark cover 25 feet, 7.6 meters, in a single leap. Heavy checkmark use less energy than running on all fours. This hopping ability helps them escape predators like dingoes and eagles. C. Staying cool in extreme heat sun fire. To survive scorching temperatures, red kangaroos heavy checkmark lick their forearms, allowing the saliva to cool them down as it evaporates. Heavy checkmark rest under trees and bushes to avoid direct sunlight. Heavy checkmark limit activity during the day and move more in the cooler evening hours. Their light-colored fur also reflects sunlight, reducing overheating. Red kangaroo social life kangaroo family man woman boy. Red kangaroos live in groups called mobs, usually made up of females and their young, with a dominant male leading them. Roles within the mob. Heavy checkmark alpha male, boomer, the strongest male who leads the group and mates with females. Heavy checkmark females, flyers, take care of their joeys. Heavy checkmark young kangaroos, joeys, stay in the mother's pouch for up to 8 months. Living in mobs helps kangaroos protect each other from predators and find food more easily. Unique kangaroo adaptations. Baby bottle herb. A. Baby kangaroos, born tiny. Baby bottle. Heavy checkmark joeys are born the size of a jelly bean and develop inside the mother's pouch for months. Heavy checkmark they attach to a teat and feed on milk while they grow. Heavy checkmark even after leaving the pouch, they return for safety and milk. B. Special reproduction trick, embryonic diapause pregnant woman. Female red kangaroos can pause pregnancy if conditions are bad, like droughts. This means they can heavy checkmark delay giving birth until food and water are available. Heavy checkmarks support multiple joeys at different growth stages. This ability ensures better survival for their young. Red kangaroo predators and threats. Eagle dog. While red kangaroos are strong and fast, they still face dangers from heavy checkmark dingoes, their main natural predator. Heavy checkmark eagles attack young or weak kangaroos. Heavy checkmark humans, hunting and habitat destruction. When threatened, red kangaroos. Heavy checkmark use their strong legs to kick attackers. Heavy checkmark jump into water to escape. Heavy checkmark drown predators by holding them underwater if necessary. Conservation and the future of red kangaroos. Globe showing Europe, Africa. Red kangaroos are not endangered, but they face threats from crossmark climate change, less water and food in the outback. Crossmark habitat loss, farming and urban expansion. Crossmark hunting, for meat and leather. How can we protect red kangaroos? Heavy checkmark preserve natural habitats in Australia. Heavy checkmark support sustainable wildlife programs. Heavy checkmark educate people about their importance in ecosystems. Conclusion: Kings of the Outback. Crown kangaroo. Red kangaroos are perfectly adapted to the harsh Australian outback. Their powerful legs, water-saving abilities, and strong social bonds make them true survivors of one of the toughest environments on Earth. By understanding and protecting these incredible animals, we can help them thrive for generations to come. Herb Desert.